Hi, my name is Aman Anand and I'm the director for Fima India. Today we are here at POV Design Mumbai, and it is immense pleasure to be here because we have the right feedback, direct feedback from the end customers, as well as our fraternity, respected designers, interior designers and architects, where they have seen the new launches of this year, where we have showcased series called Slide and series called Park Lane. So have got enormous, wonderful response for both of them. And of course, how can we forget the product running behind me, which is called Water Dot, which is amazing experience to design your shower yourself. And I congratulate to the team POV. They did a fantabulous job, and we look forward to participate again in this event in Mumbai. Thank you.